Hi, my name is Holly Phillips. I teach middle school ELA, and I teach at Salem Middle School, which is in the DeKalb County School District, located in Lithonia, Georgia. I have been teaching for 18 years, so I'm going into my 19th year. And I taught high school for 13 years, so middle school has been extremely interesting for me. One of the questions that we had to address dealt with personal, something interesting and personal. Let's see. Oh gosh. Well, one of the most interesting things I think in my life, and something I'm totally proud of, and any of you who've been in class with me probably know this, but my son, I talk about him all the time, and right now, currently, I am getting him prepared to study molecular genetics and biology for Duke Tip at Georgia Tech. So that is something interesting about my life, and I guess we could say my family. Um, Diversity or equity issues that I've observed. One of the things that I have observed in the past, not really so much now because I teach in a community that's majority, well, pretty much 99% African American. But when I did teach in Gwinnett County, that district is a little bit more, well, it's a lot more diverse. Well, the school that I taught at. Make a long story short, I did notice that there were very few African Americans or Latinos in the gifted programs, and I always was a little shocked by that. Um, and also the same thing actually is it's like that at my son's school. It says one of my least favorite aspects of engaging. Least favorite. I really don't know how to answer that question, so let me think about that for a moment. I think that it's important for students to understand diversity and what diversity means. So that's what I'm going to go right there. Let's do that. I'm going to stop.